As part of Data Privacy Day, we wanted to share with you a friendly reminder on some simple steps you can take to help protect you and your family's privacy. When using social media, assume anything you post will eventually become public. While privacy controls are important and can help, they can also be confusing, change often, and may not fully protect you. If you do not want your family or boss to see it, you probably should not post it. Also, remember, the more information you publicly share about yourself, the easier you make it for cyber attackers to target you. Track what your friends and coworkers share about you. Ask them to be considerate of your privacy. If you feel a post is inappropriate, ask them to remove the content or report it to the website's abuse department. In return, be considerate of what you post about others. When using your browser, enable privacy options. This can help protect your privacy, such as not storing your browsing history and making it harder for websites to track your online activity. Limit what activities your mobile device and mobile apps track about you. For example, do your mobile apps really need access to your contact list or track where you are? If a mobile app is asking for extensive permissions you are not comfortable with, simply replace it with a more trusted and secure option. Finally, many of the technologies you use at home have various options to help protect your privacy. Make sure you review and enable those privacy options whenever possible.